This podcast is to really just educate people on what it's all about and how you can land your first job in the industry. Okay, so if that resonates with you at all, then this is the podcast for you. Lachlan, let's get into it. I want to start from the beginning, like what I do with all of our students. Let's talk about your journey into cybersecurity. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your background, how long you've worked for Cyber Revolution, etc.
So yeah, it's probably a bit of a weird pathway into cyber, which I find now as we're talking to a lot of people, it's never just a straight path. But funny enough, look, I'm in kind of the Sydney area in New South Wales. I actually did a Bachelor of Nanotechnology at UTS there. Took about four and a half years. And honestly, I just decided I didn't want to stay in a lab for the rest of my life. I see people out there doing the same job over and over for like 30 years. And I just couldn't put myself in that situation to even start that. And I think there's a big culture that we go around where if you finish school, you have to get into university, like you have to get a degree. Being on the other side now, I realized I didn't have to do that. So rather than, I guess, worrying about, okay, well, I've just spent 4 years doing this degree, what can I do? I went weirdly enough into coaching and consulting afterwards. I worked with my uncle that's big in the space, teaching others really how to market themselves, right? How to actually sell their gifts when it comes to helping people lose weight, right? How to, market these fantastic things people can do. And that's where I found the love for, in essence, what I do now. So big on the consulting side, cybersecurity, you can go the technical, but I'm very much maybe a people person. So after that, decided to head to the cyber, and that's where I joined you, Adam. That was about a year and a half ago now. And now I enjoy the consulting side of cybersecurity. So, a lot of people get that question, right? Do I want to go technical? Do I want to go consulting? I don't think you need to know until you actually give it a go. And once you actually experience that and go, actually, wow, I actually really enjoy my day today now. And now makes the work so much easier. Wouldn't you agree?